Today, we'll be taking a look at the heating element on this Whirlpool electric dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, must first remove the electrical cover followed by the rear panel. The electrical cover has one screw on the top. Take this off, slide off your cover and set it to the side. And then the back panel has multiple 1/4-inch screws around the perimeter. We'll do the ones on the side first. The ones in the middle. Put your arm against it to remove the very last one. Bend it out, lift up, and set it to the side. Now that we have the back panel removed, we have clear access to our heating element down here. Now, the main reasons why you would need to access this component is if the unit is not heating or the heating element may be staying on all the time. Now, to test out your heating element, we are going to remove the terminals off of the element. The first black one here, you have a single terminal. Now, on the other side, we have our thermostat that is jumping off of this pole. So use a tack puller to go between the thermostat and the heater casing. Slide it off of that pole, slide it off that element, and set it to the side here. When testing your element, there's two things you'll want to test for. If it is not heating, test for continuity between these two terminals right here. If there's not continuity, that's indicating that the element is broken. You can also test for it to be shorted. If an element is shorting, usually it's going to stay on all the time. In order to test this, you use your ohm meter, test for continuity between one of these poles and ground, the other pole and ground. If it does have continuity, it will need to be replaced. In order to replace your element, we have two screws holding it on, 1/4-inch on each side. Pull off that second one here. Pull out on the element. You can do a visual inspection if you need to try to find the break and set it to the side. When installing your new heating element, we're going to have the terminal portion on the bottom, bring it in at an angle and slide it up into place. Then reinstall the two screws. Let's do the first one. Second one here. Next, we are going to slide on our thermostat, bring it in and hook it in at the top, swing it down and reinstall it on the outer pole here. Reinstall your other terminal. Now we can reinstall the back panel. When reinstalling your back panel, what you'll want to do is bring it in at an angle because there's actually a small kind of lip on the back that it can sit on. It'll drop in nice and should line the screws up. So let's get it lined up here and install the first one. And I don't like to put that one too tight so we can move the other ones around if needed. All right, let's move the plate and install the second. Now go around and reinstall the others. Tighten this one up. Reinstall the last one. Go ahead and slap back on our electrical cover and reinstall that screw. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.